This video will show you how to download the new content from SiNi, including MAXScripts. So first thing you want to do is go to your online account. In your user dashboard, you will find under downloads, there is now a new page called SiNi Extra Files. Now in this, depending on what subscription you have, will depend on what files you can download. So all access members can download everything. If you have a free forensic account or scatter, there'll be a limited amount of content that you can download. But at the top here, you have the MAXScript. So click on download and then follow the other video for installation and how to use the files. Other source content here, you have cyclone handrails. There are proxy chair models. At the bottom, we now also have all the 3 Disciple magazine digital copies and the tutorial files. So go ahead and download and make use of that. Thank you very much.